Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete a contact on Telegram using the latest updated steps. Whether you're cleaning up your contact list or just removing someone you no longer need, the process is simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats and contacts. Once you're inside the app, go ahead and open the chat of the person you want to remove. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find them faster. Now that you're in the chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on the person's name. This will open their profile page where you can see more details and settings related to that contact. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those dots to open a small menu with additional options. From this menu, tap on Delete Contact. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your action to make sure you really want to remove this person from your contact list. Finally, tap Confirm, and that's it. The contact will be deleted from your Telegram contacts. Keep in mind, deleting a contact does not automatically delete your chat history. If you also want to remove the conversation, you'll need to delete the chat separately. And that's how you delete a contact on Telegram quickly and easily using the latest version of the app.